In today's video, we will be diving into one of the most effective ways to boost your online presence and drive traffic to your business website, and that's blogging. We'll be covering the essential tips, tools, and best practices to help you get the most out of your blog. So let's go ahead and get started. Blogging helps you attract new visitors, engage your audience, and establish your brand as an industry expert. But not all blogs are created equally. To really make an impact, you need a solid strategy, and here's how to create one. Step one is choosing your blog topic and purpose. Your topic should be broad enough to allow for a variety of posts, but specific enough to relate directly to your business niche. Ask yourself, why does this blog exist? And document your purpose. This clarity will guide your content creation and keep you focused. This aligns with your business goals and attracts an audience interested in these services. Next, let's dive into some SEO research. Keywords are going to be the backbone of your blog strategy. Using tools like SEMrush can help you find the best keywords for your niche. SEMrush offers comprehensive keyword research, allowing you to discover high traffic keywords and analyze your competitors' strategies. With SEMrush, you can uncover the keywords that your target audience is searching for and identify gaps in your competitors' content. SEMrush also provides data on keyword difficulty scoring, search volume, and trends, giving you a competitive edge in your SEO efforts. Now, once you have your keywords, integrate them naturally into your content. Avoid keyword stuffing, which can hurt your rankings. Instead, focus on creating valuable, engaging content that answers your audience's questions. SEMrush also helps you track keyword performance and refine your strategy based on real-time data. The platform's content analyzer can guide you in optimizing your posts for better visibility and engagement. A helpful tip is to keep an eye on trending keywords in your industry. SEMrush's trends tools can help you identify emerging topics and quickly create content around them to capture that search traffic. To get started with SEMrush, you can take advantage of a free 14-day trial by using the link down in the description below. This trial will allow you to explore all the features that SEMrush has to offer, giving you a head start on optimizing your blog's SEO strategy without any initial cost. So don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your blog and drive more traffic to your website. Creating compelling and valuable content. You want to write posts that are informative, entertaining, and offer real value. Use a mix of formats like how-to guides, listicles, and case studies to keep things interesting. Don't forget to incorporate multimedia elements like videos, infographics, and images to enhance your content. For example, a video demonstration of a workout can complement your written instructions perfectly. Creating content for beginners can seem overwhelming, but Canva makes it incredibly easy to create high-quality content for a ton of different platforms and mediums. So whether you're designing social media graphics, presentations, posters, or videos, Canva's intuitive interface and extensive library of templates and elements simplify this process. Canva is a great tool to make content creation easy, and we have a link down in the description to get started with Canva today. Raising blog awareness. Raising awareness about your blog is crucial. Share your posts on social media, in email newsletters, and even through personal networks. Engage with your audience by asking questions and encouraging comments. This not only promotes your blog, but also encourages engagement. Updating and repurposing content. Google loves fresh content, so regularly update your posts with new information, keywords, and media. Tools like Google Search Console can help you identify which posts need updating. Additionally, repurpose content into different formats like infographics, videos, or social media posts. This maximizes your reach and keeps your content strategy dynamic. Proofreading and editing. Nothing undermines your credibility more than a blog post full of typos and grammatical errors. Use tools like Grammarly to ensure that your content is polished and professional. Take the time to review your post carefully before publishing. A well-edited blog post reflects that your brand's professionalism and attention to detail is there. It's also helpful to have a second set of eyes review your content. Peer reviewers can catch errors that you might have missed and provide valuable feedback. If you want to get 30 free days of Grammarly Pro, use the link down in the description. Tracking and analyzing performance. Use metrics like page views, bounce rates, and conversion rates to understand what's working and what needs improvements. Tools like Google Analytics and HubSpot can provide valuable insights. Set specific goals and regularly review your performance to ensure that your blog is meeting its objectives. This data-driven approach will help you refine your strategy over time. Building authority and credibility. Regularly publish high-quality, well-researched content to establish yourself as an expert. Consider collaborating with other industry experts for guest posts or interviews. This not only provides valuable content for your readers, but also boosts your credibility. Over time, as you build a reputation for delivering valuable content, your blog will become a trusted resource in your industry. Leveraging tools and technology. Content management systems like WordPress, HubSpot, or Hostinger make it easy to publish and manage your blog. SEO tools like SEMrush or Surfer SEO can help you optimize your content and track your your performance. Additionally, consider using AI-powered tools for content generation and editing. These tools can save you time and ensure that your content is optimized for search engines. Engaging with your audience. Encourage comments and feedback on your posts. This not only boosts engagement, but also provides valuable data to inform your content strategy. Remember, a blog is not just a one-way communication channel. It's a platform for building relationships and fostering a community around your brand. Lastly, let's talk about monetizing your blog. Once you've built a solid readership, there are several ways to generate revenue. Affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling digital products like ebooks or online courses are popular options. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be particularly lucrative and relatively easy to start. It involves promoting products or services relevant to your niche, and when a reader clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Here's how you can get started. Choose relevant products. Select products or services that align with your blog's niche and provide value to your audience. For example, a fitness blog might partner with brands that sell workout equipment or supplements. Join affiliate programs. Many companies offer affiliate programs through networks like Amazon Associates or ShareASale. These platforms connect you with various brands and products to promote. Integrate links naturally. Include affiliate links within high-quality content such as reviews or how-to guides. Always disclose your affiliate relationship to maintain trust with your readers. Sponsored posts. Brands pay you to write posts that feature their product or services. To attract sponsors, you want to build a media kit. Showcase your blog statistics, audience demographics, and engagement metrics to potential sponsors. Reach out to brands. Contact brands that fit your niche with a proposal, highlighting the benefits of partnering with your blog. Create authentic content. Ensure sponsored posts are valuable and authentic, integrating the brand naturally without a hard sell. Selling digital products. You can create ebooks, online courses, or printables that leverage your expertise. Monetizing your blog takes time and effort. Focus on building a loyal audience first, and the revenue opportunities will follow. Experiment with different strategies to find what works best for your niche and your audience. And there you have it. By following these tips and best practices, you can create a successful business blog that drives traffic, engages your audience, and boosts your brand. If you're looking for a new web hosting platform to host your blog that's super affordable, check out the link down in the description for Hostinger. Hostinger is super affordable and has a ton of customizability. If you click the link down in the description, it'll bring you to this page here, and you can click on Start Now. Here you can choose from Hostinger's different plans, and for most of you watching this, the premium plan will be more than enough. Now, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is come down here to the coupon code area and type in StartupWise and click Apply. Here, you're gonna get even more savings. Hostinger also has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can go ahead and try it out and see if it's right for you and your blog. And if you wanna get started with a free 14-day trial to SEMrush, there will also be a link down in the description for that as well. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to StartupWise for more tips and strategies to grow your business. Here on this channel, we make tons of videos on how to help new entrepreneurs succeed. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.